Welcome to Global English Tales, where stories build both language and life. Today, we start a special journey 14 steps to become a good leader. Each part will give you simple English and a powerful lesson about leadership. From vision to legacy, these secrets will guide you step by step to think, act, and grow like a leader. So stay with us, enjoy the story, and discover the leader inside you. Let's start. Part 1, Vision. See the bigger picture. A leader always starts with vision. Vision means seeing the future clearly. It is about knowing where you are going. Without vision, a leader has no path. Vision gives purpose to life. It makes people believe in tomorrow. A leader with vision sees possibilities. Others may see problems, but a leader sees opportunities. Vision guides every decision. It keeps the team moving forward. Vision gives energy to people. It is like light in darkness. When you have vision, you do not stop. You keep moving even in hard times. Vision inspires trust. People follow leaders who know the way. A true leader always dreams big, but they also plan the steps to reach that dream. Vision is the first step to leadership. It turns ideas into goals and goals into action. Part 2, Integrity. Build trust with honesty. Integrity means being honest and fair. A leader cannot lead without trust. Trust is built on truth. When you speak honestly, people respect you. Integrity means doing the right thing even when no one is watching. It means keeping promises and staying true to your words. A leader with integrity does not cheat. They do not misuse power. They set an example of fairness. People follow leaders who are real and transparent. Without integrity, leadership becomes weak. Trust once broken is hard to repair. That is why honesty must always come first. Integrity creates confidence in the team. It makes people feel safe. When there is honesty, there is unity. A leader with integrity builds strong relationships. Leadership without integrity fails. With integrity, you earn respect, and respect makes leadership powerful. Part 3, Confidence. Believe in yourself first. Confidence is the key to leadership. A leader must believe in themselves. Without confidence, others will not follow you. Confidence means trusting your own ability. It is not arrogance. It is quiet strength. A confident leader speaks clearly. They take decisions without fear. Confidence helps in facing challenges. It keeps the mind strong. People admire leaders who stand firm. Confidence spreads to the team. When you believe, others also believe. Confidence grows with practice. It grows when you learn daily. A leader who doubts cannot inspire, but a leader who trusts themselves gives courage to all. Confidence is built step by step. Each success makes it stronger. A leader must always keep faith in their vision. Confidence makes leadership powerful. Part 4, Discipline. Practice self-control daily. Discipline is the backbone of leadership. A leader cannot succeed without it. Discipline means control over time, words, and actions. It means doing the right thing even when it is hard. A disciplined leader follows a routine. They complete tasks on time. They keep promises. Discipline teaches focus. It removes laziness. People respect leaders who live with discipline. It shows commitment and seriousness. A leader cannot ask for discipline if they do not practice it themselves. Discipline makes life balanced. It helps in achieving big goals step by step. Without discipline, even talent fails. Discipline also keeps emotions under control. It makes the leader calm in stress. A true leader lives with self-control. They show others the power of discipline through action. Part 5. Learning. Keep growing every day. A leader never stops learning. Learning is a daily process. It keeps the mind sharp. A leader learns from books, people, and experiences. Every mistake teaches something. Every success also teaches something. A learning leader is open-minded. They accept advice and feedback. They do not feel ashamed to ask questions. Knowledge makes leadership strong. Without learning, leaders become weak and outdated. Growth comes from curiosity. A leader should always stay curious. They should explore new ideas. A leader who learns inspires others to learn. A team grows when its leader grows. Learning also makes leaders humble. It reminds them that nobody knows everything. Daily learning is like food for the mind. It builds wisdom and confidence. Leadership is a journey of constant learning. Part 6. Communication. Share ideas and listen well. Good communication is the heart of leadership. A leader must speak clearly. They must also listen deeply. Communication is not only about words. It is about understanding. A leader shares ideas with simple language. They make sure people understand. They listen to the team with respect. Listening builds trust. It makes people feel valued. Without communication, confusion grows. A leader should avoid harsh words. They should use kind and clear words. Communication solves problems. It reduces mistakes. A leader who communicates well builds strong teams. They explain the vision again and again. They also answer questions with patience. Communication is like a bridge. It connects the leader and the team. Without this bridge, leadership breaks. Good leaders always improve communication skills. Part 7. Empathy. Connect with people's feelings. Empathy means understanding others' feelings. A leader must have empathy. Without it, people feel ignored. Empathy is not pity. It is respect for emotions. A leader with empathy listens with care. They notice what others feel. They do not judge quickly. Empathy builds strong trust. It makes people feel safe with a leader. A leader with empathy supports others in hard times. They celebrate others' success with joy. Empathy creates a bond between leader and team. It removes fear and distance. People follow leaders who understand them. A leader without empathy feels cold and distant. But with empathy, leadership feels warm. Empathy gives the heart to leadership. It turns authority into friendship. Leadership with empathy always lasts long. Part 8. Teamwork builds strong collaboration. Leadership is not about working alone. It is about building strong teamwork. A leader joins hands with people. They respect every member. Teamwork means sharing work. It means sharing success and failure. A leader with teamwork spirit removes ego. They value ideas from others. A team grows when everyone supports each other. A leader encourages unity. They stop fights and build harmony. Teamwork creates power. One person may fail, but a team stands strong. A leader guides the team, but also works with them. They are not above the team, but part of it. Teamwork gives faster success. It makes work lighter and happier. A leader with teamwork creates lasting results. True leadership means lifting everyone together. Part 9. Responsibility. Take charge of actions. A leader must be responsible. Responsibility means owning your actions. It means accepting both success and mistakes. A responsible leader never blames others. They face the results with courage. Responsibility shows maturity. It builds respect in people's hearts. A leader with responsibility takes care of the team. They protect and guide them. They accept challenges instead of running away. Responsibility means keeping promises. It means finishing what you start. Leaders who take responsibility inspire the same habit in others. Irresponsible leaders lose trust quickly. A responsible leader learns from every mistake. They also help others become responsible. Leadership without responsibility is weak. With responsibility, leadership becomes strong and respected. Part 10. Decision-making. Choose with clarity and courage. A leader must make decisions. Decision-making is the test of leadership. A leader cannot always wait. They must choose wisely and quickly. Decision-making needs clarity. It needs courage. A good leader studies the problem. They listen to advice. Then they choose the best path. A leader cannot fear mistakes. Sometimes decisions fail, but courage matters more. A weak leader avoids decisions. This creates confusion in the team. A leader with strong decision-making gives direction. They reduce delay and fear. Every decision shapes the future. A leader must balance head and heart. They must be fair to all. Clear decisions create trust. A true leader accepts the results of their decisions with courage. Part 11. Problem solving. Focus on solutions, not problems. Problems are part of leadership. A leader must be a problem solver. They cannot spend time complaining. They must find solutions. Problem solving means calm thinking. It means looking at the issue from all sides. A leader does not panic. They search for answers with patience. They also involve the team in finding solutions. This creates new ideas. A leader who solves problems gives hope. They make people believe that every challenge can be handled. Problem solving also creates respect. People admire leaders who act wisely in tough times. A leader must focus on solutions, not excuses. They must see problems as opportunities. With problem-solving skills, a leader keeps the team strong. Part 12. Adaptability. Stay strong in change. Change is part of life. A leader must adapt to change. Adaptability means adjusting with courage. It means staying strong in new situations. A leader who resists change becomes weak, but a flexible leader grows. Adaptability needs open thinking. It needs patience. A leader accepts that not everything will stay the same. They guide the team through change. They turn fear into strength. Adaptability makes leaders ready for the future. It helps in handling surprises. People trust leaders who stay calm in change. Adaptability also brings creativity. It teaches new ways of success. A leader with adaptability never breaks under pressure. They rise higher with every challenge. Part 13, Motivation. Inspire and uplift others. A true leader motivates others. Motivation means giving energy and hope. A leader inspires people with words and actions. They encourage the team to keep going. Motivation is needed in hard times. It gives strength to tired hearts. A leader must recognize effort. They must praise good work. Motivation spreads positivity. It makes the team believe in success. A leader who motivates becomes a source of light. They lift people when they feel low. Motivation is not only words. It is also action. A leader shows motivation by example. They work hard and inspire others. Leadership without motivation feels empty. With motivation, leadership feels alive and powerful. Part 14, Legacy. Leave a lasting positive impact. The final part of leadership is legacy. Legacy means what you leave behind. It is the impact of your leadership. A leader's legacy is not wealth or power. It is values, actions, and memories. A true leader builds people, not just projects. They leave lessons that last forever. A legacy is about inspiring the next generation. It is about creating leaders after you. A leader's legacy lives in the hearts of people. If you lead with honesty and vision, your legacy will shine. A selfish leader is forgotten quickly, but a leader with values is remembered always. Legacy is the gift of leadership. It is the final mark of greatness. This was another inspiring part. 14 steps to become a good leader on Global English Tales. Every story here brings you easy English, clear wisdom, and lessons that stay with you for life. If this story helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support inspires us to bring more tales that teach, guide, and motivate. See you in the next part of this journey. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining with Global English Tales.